please versus kindly, polite requests in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of polite expressions, specifically focusing on how to make requests. Have you ever wondered when to use please and when to use kindly? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to compare these two words and shed light on when and how to use them effectively in English conversations. First, let's talk about please. Please is a versatile word that can be used in both formal and informal contexts. It is considered polite and is widely accepted in all forms of English conversation, making it a handy word to use when you're asking for something or making a request. You can place please at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. For example, you can say, 1. Please, could you pass me the salt? 2. Could you, please, pass me the salt? 3. Could you pass me the salt, please? Next, let's explore kindly. Kindly is generally considered more formal than please. It's often used in professional or business environments, or when you want to show a high level of respect. However, it can sometimes sound a bit old-fashioned in casual conversation. Unlike please, kindly is typically placed before the verb. For instance, 1. Kindly pass me the report. 2. Kindly review the proposal for tomorrow's meeting. So, what's the difference between please and kindly? Both words are used to make polite requests, but please is more universally acceptable, while kindly leans towards the formal side. You might use please with friends, family, and coworkers, but kindly might be your go-to in a business email or when you're speaking to a superior or someone you wish to show extra respect. And that's our quick guide to using please and kindly in English. Remember, both are great for making requests, but it's crucial to be mindful of your context. Use please for a broader range of situations and kindly when you want to add an extra touch of formality or respect. Keep practicing these in your daily English conversations. As always, happy learning, and we hope you found this video helpful. Until next time.